Hey guys, this is Mr. Mark, and I'm going to show you how to do the next exercise. It is Unit 1, Lesson 1, Computer Basics. So the first thing you have to do is to log into Google Chrome, which I've already done. You can see that I've logged in because my dummy student is logged in with a small d here and a big D here. The next thing that you have to do is to go to Google Classroom. So you come up here to the Google Apps Launcher, and you click the launcher and you click on Classroom. Google Classroom will open. Click on your class and then click on the Classwork tab. Now, last week we did Introduction Week, and everybody should be finished with that already. This week's we're going to do computers and Windows. So Unit 1, Lesson 1 is Computer Basics. Now here's the lesson right here, but below that are the quizzes that you have to take after each little mini lesson. Okay, so let's look at the lesson real quick. View assignment. Okay, so Unit 1 is titled Computers and Windows. There are 3 lessons in Unit 1. This assignment is Lesson 1 titled Computer Basics. This lesson uses resources, video, and text from Goodwill Community Foundation. There are 6 parts to Computer Basics. Number 1 is, what is a computer? Followed by basic parts of a computer, buttons and ports on a computer, inside a computer, understanding operating systems, and understanding applications. At the end of each part, there is a quiz, which must be completed after watching the video and reading the text. Quizzes are worth 30% of your total grade. The resource for this lesson is below. So after you read the instructions, click on the resource. The resource takes you to the lesson website, Computer Basics. It says, this lesson uses resources from the Goodwill Community Foundation. This tutorial will help you understand how computers work and how to use them. We'll talk about how to set up a computer, the difference between hardware and software, and the types of computers you can use. We'll also explore operating systems, applications, the cloud, and a whole lot more. I wanted to show you how long these videos are. So these are the videos. What is a computer? Basic parts of a computer, buttons and ports on a computer, inside a computer, understanding operating systems, understanding applications, and the total time. And you can see each one of them is not a very long video, but the total time for all of them is 14 minutes. And so it usually, when you come into the classroom, it usually takes a little bit of time to turn your computer on sometimes. Let's see, introduction, login, video, 14 total minutes. Reading's about 24 minutes because there's a bit of text in there, and each quiz is about 3 minutes each. So you got 6 quizzes, so that's 18 minutes. So the total amount of time you will use is about an hour and 11 minutes, which means if a class is 50 minutes long, then you're going to be missing out on 21 minutes. That means that you will have 21 minutes worth of homework in theory. So with that in mind, let's start with what is a computer. Now the way it works, it says a computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. You may already know that you can use a computer to type documents, send email, play games, and browse the web. You can also use it to edit or create spreadsheets, presentations, and even videos. So the instructions say, review the tutorial, what is a computer? And then the next one says, complete the Unit 1, Lesson 1, Quiz 1 in Google Classroom. So let's go ahead and look at what is a computer. This is the GFC website, and it opens you up to what is a computer. And you got a video right there that I was talking about, and then it scrolls down to the bottom. When it gets to computer or continue, this is as far as you go. So don't go past continue. Once you finish what is a computer, go and take the quiz. Find the quiz. You go backwards on Google Classroom. Quizzes right underneath the main assignment. Here's quiz 1. What is a computer? So if I go here and I click on the quiz, it opens up the quiz. What is a computer? And it asks me, write your first name or your last name. Hefner, Mark, Mr. Then click next. What is a computer? Then you answer the questions. What is a computer? And you hit submit. And then you go back to the lesson and you go to the next one, hardware basics, parts of a computer. Then you click on it. This is my little digital drawing, basic parts of a computer. And you open it up and you watch the video, read all of the text so you can learn the names of the different things. Because if you don't know the names, you're not going to do very well on the quiz. Then after you finish this, basic parts of a computer, you find the quiz, basic parts of a computer. Click it, open it, and then fill out the information, and then continue on with the rest of the quiz. And then after that, you go back to the website and you do the next one in the line, buttons and ports on a computer. And then you do inside a computer after you do the quiz for that one. After you do inside a computer, you take the quiz. And then you go to understanding operating systems and you do the quiz. After that, you go to understanding applications and you do the quiz. So all in all, it should take you probably an hour and a half to 2 hours to do all of this. But afterwards, you're going to be more knowledgeable on the basic parts of a computer. And that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please read first and then do the quiz. Otherwise, your quiz grade is going to suffer, and that's going to bring your whole grade down for the semester. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.